If you regularly back up your Mac with Time Machine, you can restore older versions of files, folders, photos, and more, even ones you can't access or that have been deleted. Here's how to restore a specific item from a Time Machine backup. First, click the Time Machine icon in your menu bar at the top right of your Mac screen. Next, select Enter Time Machine from the drop-down menu and go to where you last saved the item you want to restore. We're going to recover a deleted file from our Documents folder. If you don't remember where the item was last saved, you can search for it by name, phrase, or date by typing it into the search field in the upper right corner of Time Machine. You can search your entire Mac backup or select a specific folder to narrow your search. Time Machine lets you browse through older versions of files, including deleted ones, so you can find and restore what you're looking for. You'll see a timeline on the right edge of your screen that shows backups as they were at a specific date and time. Or you can use the arrows to browse through your backups one at a time. When you find what you're looking for, select it. You can press the spacebar to preview it and confirm that it's the one you want to recover. Nope, not that one. Ah, there it is. Click Restore to recover it. The item will be brought back to its original location, so you can continue to use it. Roll back time with Time Machine. To learn more about how to use your Mac, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.